Are you satisfied? Good look TV tonight. This is Rush Shiloh, keeping it locked.
Yeah, people, we're there. Another epic video. Today, what do our next time? We're up on the ends, holiday time, so we're up on the ends. In Jamaica, I know when I see brother Canada showing us some different look. Big up to brother, you see me? Big up to Kevin. But yeah, we're up on the ends of our yard right now. And we are doing some cooking, but we're going to introduce you again to one of our good friends. And remember that brother here from half of the dumpling fest. See? So one side, they are going with.
You don't know, you know.
See him here.
Yeah, right now, you see it.
Mm-hmm.
Look at some food, you know, some curry pork and white rice, you know.
Gosh. People don't start the ball again, but we don't reach far still, you know, but we start on the cup.
Yeah, understand.
Show them what I go inside.
Yeah, see there. Steam where I steam down the pork, you know.
Look at that. Curry pork, people.
Yeah, man.
You see me? So, curry pork and what we're saying idea.
Curry pork and white rice, is it?
Alright, curry pork
Don't
and
know.
white rice.
Jamaica style.
Which is right. Holiday
Yeah.
settings, right? What is it? You can see the people. You don't know if you have something to go and drink. We are look out for the beautiful Jamaica. You know what I mean?
Want to push up some stick under the fire?
Yeah. Beautiful Jamaica. Look on it. Just look out there, people. Pork, where you say woman can cook curry pork here?
I don't say woman can't cook curry pork, you mean, but I have to do that when I cook.
Yeah.
Because I tell you the curry pork, you have no of cooking.
Yeah.
You understand?
So how you cook the curry pork?
Yeah,
What is
done-
different with your curry pork than curry
You
pork?
don't know, sir. You put on the pot on the fire and make it hot. Throw the curry night and make it hot, and then you put in, throw in the curry night, you don't put the curry on the meat.
Okay, okay.
You understand?
Okay.
And burn the curry, and then you start putting in your meat and spin up your meat in the curry. When you're done, you cover your pot and make it steam down.
Yeah.
And if the meat well tough, you don't know so you can't throw cold water upon it neither. But that one here is a young brand, you see? So we don't have to put no warm water upon it.
I put some stick in the fire because when I do it put fire. Stick fire with it, people. You hear that?
You know that? Stick, you know? The fire go on, build up on the pork
Build up
and
the fire.
steam down, you see?
See me.
The curry pork, you understand? Real curry pork.
So here's the side. Holiday in Jamaica is nice, though.
You must.
I'll make it nicer.
Well, enough cold breeze, you know? Sunshine and thing, you see?
True, man. Nice, sir.
Yeah,
You believe in love?
when me say love, you know, like, you have to love one another, you know? Me not
No,
talk
brotherly love, but me I say pan a next levels, cause
with your girls.
yeah, you believe in a love. First of all, what is love? Let me ask you that.
Right now, me don't know, you know? Cause, right now, no matter how you love, you know, brother. One of them day, you're not going to love again, you know? You understand? One day, I go did it. No love, now I go did it.
Real talk.
So, I don't know. Like, I don't know of love where say love will stand or love forever and them things. I don't see that.
Things, eh? You believe in the Bible, though?
So, in certain things.
Not certain things. But based on what the Bible says, love is unconditional. Love is pure.
Yeah.
Love is kind. Love is patient. You know what I mean? So you have all a woman where, yeah, she will kind here and there, you know, but she might not have the patience. Because they do one little thing where she don't feel comfortable with. She gone, brother.
Yeah, man.
So I don't really love that still. You see me? You have to have all of the qualities then. Yeah, bro.
First time people didn't know about love.
You believe that?
Love gone, you know. You understand me?
I believe that.
People will say love you today and tomorrow and hate you. You understand?
True. That's a real talk. That proven facts. That, isn't it?
Tomorrow you want to cut your throat, brother. So, then the first time, people are talk about that and love.
Yeah.
Love again.
Yeah.
If liquor rod come in, Look more you just talk out that and more love show.
Yeah, see man.
So if you did say then, you do 100% what I write. And 200% what I love come cover I write you did do. But them they sitting there again.
Real talk.
Yeah, you understand? You know, so when you are dead nowadays, what them a do? Video you.
Real talk, man.
First time, you are dead people are running and ball. Now, people are video you. But first time, them they sitting there.
Gimmicks thing it turning on.
Yes. Now, gimmicks you out. Then take, you are dead, come like, nobody not feel you again, feel you. If you want dead, you dead. If you want live, you live, brother.
Real.
So, no love, no there.
Sure, man. Boy, it's a sad thing still. Sad thing. People, tell me what you think about that.
First time you could have dealt with your wife, you know, and get picking you next door, you know, and your wife know no problem, you know, left you, you know. Now, if your wife know you go have sex with a different girl, what you do? No left you?
But side,
You must say, in yourself,
expect the woman I got to do, brother.
you look on him and when you look on him, you see, say, his shape look good.
Yeah.
His body look good and everything.
Yeah.
Then you start admire it. Coming like say then. To you start admire it. Coming like you're jealous. You have a jealousy over it then.
Okay.
Like you say, yo, me that want that woman then can look good, you know.
Yeah.
And me that want there with that woman then, you know, can look good. But you still have your wife or your yard and you still have said that. If you're not even talking out of your mouth, you say it in your mind. And next time when you see him again, you are going to put a word where you know it's then.
You can't get it.
Yeah.
Alright. So that's all you are put on your side, but turn the tables you now.
So you will see your next woman out the road and you need to rise up for him.
Yeah. But what me I ask you is it right?
You know right.
Is it love?
I know that not right.
Yeah.
We say you love your woman, but I know so love. I know say I just love your woman alone. You also see what you again where you that love saying like your woman. Where you have a yard. Where you have then
people want to think about that. A real thing. And a joke thing, you see me? We're here, we're banging, fire up. You know what I mean? When
see it there.
Show no walk.
Curry pork a simmer down now.
Yeah man. It's a good look.
Simmer it a simmer down. Now when we say simmer down, we say steam down. You understand?
Colorful. Yeah man, it smell all the natural season, them a blow. The choke back.
Yeah man, everything sell off. Man.
Oh, beautiful it is. My next side, look at that. Yeah man.
It's a curry pork, yeah.
You have the mountains. You know what I mean? I'm showing you some the color tree there. Yeah man. Yeah, so we just there go on ease ourselves of the fruit tree them. That's the breadfruit tree that for people. Banana tree. Nah, man. I don't know a thing, right? Yeah man, so we are there. In idea. These are good look. Cook some food. Jamaica. Yeah. So side I put in some of the sitting them in a pot and no paper see it.
This is it.
Cook. So side I mix up that.
Mix up already one. Steam that steam down now. Then me mix again. Then me stir again, you know. Branag. Branag.
Yeah, people, see it. I'll show you what I go on a rice pot and outside. Take free to take it off with them finger. And watch out, Jamaica style, watch out. You have to do it fast, people. See it? Fast.
You go like in skill, see.
Look at that.
I nearly drop all the bad cover.
Right, Shelly side. What kind of rice is?
Shelly rice.
Where you come from?
England.
Bumbo clot. You hear that, people?
Over pound a yard right now.
Man, it's a good look.
Yeah, man.
See that? White rice, ready? You understand? Shelly. White rice, you say? And curry pork paper. See that?
Shut up, bro.
Jamaica lifestyle. Dimming and lighting right now, but you don't know. We're still here, you know?
Rep, you know? One share a boss, me tell them people. 3, 9, good, you know? Yeah, man, you have to believe, you know?
No job.
Code up, you know, man. Believe. Fully. One share a boss, not boy test, you know?
Side, where you say?
Believe, no, man. Code up, man.
Yeah, man.
Big piece of pork in my mouth, look.
You believe in a marriage? You ever married yet?
Not married yet, you know, I'm not, might be if me feel like, you know them way there?
You're married?
Yeah, if me feel like I'm still a real person, you know?
Yeah.
Wouldn't do it code.
Yeah. Side, you married already?
But if me not see
I'm
right,
married man, I know.
if me not see the right thing, can't marry,
I
you
know,
know?
me I still married man.
Yeah.
I'm not divorced yet.
You're married side?
Yeah man, me I still married man. Me not
Married
divorced.
man. But you not go and go to married man, brother.
Yeah.
You not go and go to married
The man
man.
a go on good man, I believe man, the man a go on good, you know? You see a Jamaica, you know, you out there, you know, it's slang, you know, you see me? Believe no man still married and still harder, you
Remember
know?
say when you go to church, you
Believe
married,
no,
you
man.
know. Married say till death do you part, you know. You're not supposed to part with your wife, you know. You're not supposed to cheat on your wife or your wife cheat on you.
Yeah.
You're not supposed to. I bring money go get different woman and your wife there, your house hungry, you know.
I say you're going to part of life, you know? I have to do what I have to do, you know? You see me? Yeah.
Yes, sir. Food of your man. The food of your one part, you know what I
Remember
mean?
that? I know why we cook this a whole year. And we cook this a whole year.
One marsh, you know, man.
See me? It's a good look TV, look good.
You know time, man. You know time, man. You can't hold side, no, man. You know, say a one side, man. No boy, man.
Yeah.
Believe, no, man.
Side, I feel like a stove place she cook her all the
My
time.
wife love me man, you know, but time I may break up the love ship, you know.
Yeah.
Cause I took my brother with the next girl, huh?
Yeah.
But that still can't break up the relationship.
What break the marriage then?
She got there with the next girl, that's why.
So what I know?
But you know, break up and when a divorce.
So she no must divorce the man for that, brother?
No, you know, she not divorced and still in wife. Same way.
Two things you go and do in a side. Have the good woman and you there go with next woman, brother. You can't satisfy, brother.
She
You
don't
not
want to
cooperate. You not cooperate.
She don't want to build the system. She want to break down the system.
She want to break down the system.
And we live here. Right now, I'm nice, trust me.
Yeah, man.
And I'm a white rice and pork. Nice.
So what I know, where do you rest our food? You never have all your food there?
Yeah, man.
Oh.
There's me left some to go put the come up and if you come up. Yeah, me tell you, say,
Smart.
now put up.
Pigs them.
No boy, man.
Bam, bam.
No pussy test.
Alright,
We
a good
are-
look, man. You
It's
know,
a
so
good
look,
fucking
baby.
look.
Oh, can't be a
Yeah,
bad
you know.
look.
I go on easy back.
See
We go
ya,
put
man.
the damn self.
Good
I
luck,
got that
baby.
time, boy.
Whole if skin tonight bigger up so we are there.
It's a brand hog this though.
What?
Bad, man.
Big Joe.
Can taste the difference. You taste?
Man, I give you fraud, you know, brother.
You do what?
You have to have a little 4 minutes.
We like to man hug, man. A brand hug with it.
Run, have a big ball there for you.
If I
go see.
Right
Big
now,
old-
Why upon that, brother?
Big
Why?
old-
How long you take to butcher one hog right now?
Maybe 1 minute, no, take me a minute, just one look, and then go home.
If the people them want request if you butcher one of them hog for them right now, them fly down from anywhere in the world. How long it take?
I will fly down now and put on the water, it not take me a minute to crepe him and go and take out the belly and chop him up.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, Big Dan, what you say?
We are in curry hog.
See the people, we not grow on him, you know, he might forget food. I joke,
Curry
man.
hog, me I am.
curry hug.
Man.
Curry hog.
But, tough.
We go another round.
You know,
I'm gonna tell you what I'm going.
people, that's how Big's going, you know.
I'm another round.
How much you want to could have do, Biggs? That Biggs could have do a 2 round that day, you know. I should say food nice, isn't it, side?
Yeah, what is it?
Believe.